Good afternoon, lawn lovers. BW here. It's September 18th today, and I just had a new roof installed on my home a few days ago. That's great, but the roofers did a number on my lawn. Fortunately for me, I enjoy working on a new lawn challenge occasionally. Along with all the typical lawn trampling by foot traffic, construction equipment, and material, there's a small circular burn mark from a portable stove they cooked their lunch on. There's a much larger solar burn next to the driveway, where they placed a long black plastic piece of material. Worst of all is the threat of a host of metallic objects, such as roofing nails scattered in the lawn, that will catastrophically damage my reel mower if it strikes any of them. My neighbor has a siding crew working on their house, so I'm trying to avoid having any of them on camera. The roofers did an excellent job of using tarps and a magnetic device to recover as many of those as possible. Still, they warned me that they would have missed some of them. Yikes! If I go over the lawn with my reel mower with the Scarifier attachment installed, I hope to pick up anything they missed. It has these spring-like things that gently rake the lawn. It works well for small sticks, acorns, and other organic debris. Hopefully it'll work for nails as well. I'll go over the lawn a few times, concentrating my efforts near the house and driveway. I'm saving everything I'm getting in the catcher to search later for metallic objects. I'll refrain from using the reel mower to mow the lawn for the rest of the season. As usual, I'll go over the lawn again in the spring with this rake installed to remove as much of the dead winter grass as possible. Hopefully that'll also remove any other nails I may have missed with this attempt. Let's go see what I can find. I'll try spreading it out with this rake and see if anything will settle on the pavement. Okay, let's take a closer look. Grass, leaves, acorns, fertilizer. Oh yeah, I just fertilized 3 or 4 days ago. I hope I left some of that on the lawn. I hope this settles on the pavement so I can blow it back into the lawn. I haven't found any nails yet. Maybe I need to spread it out more to get anything heavy to settle. Oh, there's something. Staples. I still don't see any nails. Let's try some more. There we go. Jackpot. 2 nails. And a pull top. That goes into the collection. Here's another nail to add to the pile. Whoops. There's a roofing nail. The larger nails came from plywood sheeting that they needed to remove and replace. And another nail from the sheeting. But nothing in the rest of it. Well, here's the collection. I picked up another roofing nail I found lying on the ground. I expected to see a lot more. I hope that's all there was. I may find some more in the spring, but I hope not. And I have my fingers crossed that I don't hit any with my reel mower next summer. I'll blow the rest of the grass and fertilizer back into the lawn. This little side yard I've never shown on camera will get extra fertilizer this fall. Hopefully that will do it. Oh, the burn spot from the portable stove recovered after a couple of mows. The large burned area near the driveway took 3 or 4 weeks to disappear. They both recovered on their own. There was nothing I needed to do to help them heal. Now go out there and have some fun on your lawn. And remember, you can do it.